Hello and welcome to the fix, and today I've come to have a look at this Zafira 1.9 diesel. It's got a diesel leak on it. You can see the diesel's coming out over here, so I'm not going to really start it up. I'll just take this panel off. I'll just undo these two torques. There, and there's a clip here for this hose. You just undo that like that, undo that clip like that, and pull that out. And we've got to undo the oil cap there, lift this and pull it out. That to one side. Now we've got that out. All right, I could see straight away what the problem is. This pipe is broken. This is the return pipe of the fuel that goes back into the tank, and any return from the injectors also goes through this pipe back into the tank. So there's return pipe. One of these is just broken. So what we'll do, we'll just replace this pipe and start it up and make sure it's not leaking anymore. Okay, I'm going to take this pipe off, but I'm not going to try and pull it off, because you see that spout is so small. If you try and pull this pipe off, it'll snap that off, then we'll be in trouble, because we'll have to get a new one of these. So what I'm going to do, the easiest way to do it is to actually slit the pipe with a blade like so, and then you should be able to just pull the pipe off. See, it all comes off now nice and easily without snapping. So we're just going to cut a pipe this length, the fuel pipe, and put it on. Right, I've got some fuel hose now. Just going to put it there and cut it the same length, maybe just a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to slide it on this. Got to be careful, make sure you keep it straight in, not try and lift it or push it down, because it'll bend, it'll break, snap off the spout. So here again, just try and push it straight in, and that's it, that's in now. Our return pipe has been fixed. I've fitted this pipe on now, the new one. Let's go and start the car up and see if there's any leaks. Okay, car's running. Check that. No leaks now. So our job is done. The leaky pipe has been cured. Now that I've replaced this pipe that was broken, that was leaking, and the job's finished, the car's all running now without any leaks. If you enjoyed the video and you already haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon so you could get all the future videos of the fix. Thanks.